Story 41. Iskandar Rumi, having been asked how he conquered the East and the West, considering that the treasures, territories, and reigns of armies of former kings exceeded his own, and they had not gained such a victory, replied, whatever country I conquered by the aid of God the Most High, I abstained from distressing its population and spoke nothing but good of the king. The intelligent will not call him great, who speaks ill of the great. All this is nothing as it passes away. Throne and luck, command and prohibition, taking and giving, injure not the name of those who have passed away, in order that thy own name may subsist. Now, a lot of rulers, there's issues that we can have with, their rule or whatnot. And the point where it's only like a physical lesson. Oh, he was a great conqueror, or he was good at sports, or something like that. But Alexander is one of those ones with a intellectual lesson, if anything else. Now, Alexander the Great was not Dhul-Qarnayn. There's many reasons to say this. Although the religion of Alexander the Great is not as well known as people may think, because Greek writers put him in more of their context, others put him more of in another context, and it was clear that he was different a little bit some way here and there, right?